Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to import photos from Pixabay in GetStencil. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to getstencil.com and log in to your account. Open a new or existing design where you would like to add a Pixabay photo. On the left sidebar of the editor, click on the Photos tab. GetStencil includes an integration with Pixabay as well as other stock photos sources that allow you to search for free images within the platform. Type the keyword related to the image you are looking for into the search bar. After that, click on Search. Scroll through the search result and find an image you'd like to use. Click on the image to add it directly to your canvas. Resize the image by dragging the corner to fit your design. Once you have positioned and adjusted the image, continue editing any other elements of your design. Using Pixabay image directly in GetStencil make it easier to find high quality visuals without leaving the platform. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.